What's up guys, Daisy here and welcome back to my channel. So I'm traveling in Bali and I already posted some videos of my Bali trip. So if you haven't seen those, please check that out. So today guys, we'll be going to this island called Nusa Penida. Yeah, sad to say goodbye to this beautiful villa, so it's time to check out. Right guys, so our pickup is already here. We're ready to go. He's our driver. What's your name?
Wayan.
Wayan.
Yeah.
Thank you for
Welcome.
picking us up. Let's go.
Yeah, good.
Alright guys, so we made it here in Sanur. So this is where we're gonna take a boat going to Nusa Penida. So Nusa Penida is like 1.5 hours away from here. And yeah, so before that guys, we'll have breakfast first here. It's a restaurant here. This is their menu. We bought Indonesian, which is only 45,000 rupiah. Right guys, so we're done having our breakfast and we already have our ticket for the boat. So this is our boat. So our boat will depart at 8:15. It's currently 8:30, so we still have time to wait here. And by the way guys, I booked the Nusa Penida tour via Klook. So if you guys want to go to Nusa Penida, I suggest you book it from Klook because it's much cheaper there. That only costs 2,700 pesos. So it includes the boat, pick up and drop off service. Your driver will get your ticket for the boat and you will be in a private tour and the lunch is also included. So I'm very excited. Right guys, so we're now here at the shore, so that is our boat. Right guys, so we made it here in Nusa Penida Island. So here my here. So
how many people?
Three? Yeah.
1, 2, 3, yeah. Follow me, yeah.
Welcome to Nusa Penida.
Hello! Right guys, so we're now on the car. So we are on a private car. So if you're prone to seasickness, just like Dubai, make sure to take your medication beforehand.
Or
So
bring this one, no?
yeah,
Like
bring sponsored by what? Like,
Efficacy.
efficacy. Alright guys, so our first stop will be in Broken Beach. When going to Broken Beach guys, you will also pass this broken road. It's wavy road. Oh, okay pa kadaya. Masing kabuhiaw na sad ka. Oh my god. Nusa Penida guys is located southeast of Bali. This is an island here in Bali. So we will go to Broken Beach, and then next to Broken Beach we'll go to 𝗙𝗥𝗘𝗘 and then the last stop will be in Thinkin Beach, which is the highlight of this Nusa Penida trip. So yeah. Jaya, okay guys. So made it here in our first stop. We are here in Angel's Billabong. done in Angel's Billabong, and we're now on our way to the broken beach. As you can see, guys, I'm wearing a hat and a shawl because it's very hot, so make sure you apply some sunscreen with you because you will get sunburn here. Whew. Look at my view. That's the broken beach. It's called broken because, yeah, it's broken. Guys, this is amazing. There are 4 mountain rays. Let me try to zoom in. Alright guys, so we're done in Angel Billabong and Broken Beach. So the 2 spots, guys, is only in one location. So it's currently 12:40 in the afternoon. We're going to have our lunch, and this is also included in our package. It's so init. Oh yeah, make sure you bring your water and sunblock. Yes, sunblock. It's really hot. It's blazing hot. Alright guys, so we're now here in Kubo Angel Billabong Barresto. It's a warung, so we'll have our lunch here. Look at our view, guys. It's cool. And there's also, I think that's a tipi house there. So we're just doing a day trip here in Nusa Penida, guys. But if you guys want to stay overnight or 2, so you can rent a place here. You apply sunscreen, more sunscreen.
Drink sunscreen.
Or mas na your face, your face and your back.
Later.
So I have here my food, guys. We got club sandwich and of course a lemon for fresh noodle. And what's good about this warung, guys, is that they're plastic free. They're using paper straw. Good job. Okay, let's eat. Sabi kainit, guys. Sa akong trip niya, mali mo magdagin mo umbrella, hat, sarong. Alright guys, so we're now done having our lunch, guys. So we're now going to 𝗙𝗥𝗘𝗘 Beach, which is 40 minutes from here. So let's go. Guys, so we're now walking padong sa 𝗙𝗥𝗘𝗘 Beach, and as you can see, we're all covered because it's really hot. Way to 𝗙𝗥𝗘𝗘 Beach, guys. You will see this stores where you can buy your snacks, you can have your lunch here. Alright guys, so made it here in 𝗙𝗥𝗘𝗘 Beach. Look at that view, guys. That's amazing. Oh my god. Sa Instagram naman ako makitaan sa unaw, and guess what? We're finally here. Look at the color, guys. Not edited. there's many monkeys. Hoy, don't steal.
Pilot. So windy.
So windy. Good luck, Joni. Yeah, so this spot, guys, is famous for the shape. It looks like a 𝗙𝗥𝗘𝗘. Oh. There's a monkey. Why? Please test me. Okay, let's go. Whew. It's very hot, guys. Are you there? Asa naman siya? Alright guys, so we're done here. It's very hot. Can I have here? You can buy ice cream here after a very hot day. It's time to refresh. So ice cream cost.
That's why almost the same.
Ice cream cost.
Are you from Philippines?
Yeah.
Yes, we're from Philippines.
Oh, really?
Yes.
I have a friend that's also Chinese, Filipino.
Yeah, Philippines.
Huh? 40.
This is 40,000 rupiah, guys.
Expensive.
Quench your thirst. Satisfy your thirst. Buksan mo to, ha.
Picture tang suaw.
Kapoy. Okay, oh. Pero, minut kayo eh, grabe. Nice kayo ang pagka-blue ba? Diba? Daghan na. Marag tanan, kuan, use sa
Shades of
blue.
blue.
Oh, naa siya.
All
Dito.
shades of blue.
Yeah. The guide said, guys, that every house here has their own temple. If you're Hindu, so you have your own temple. That's why there's many temples here. Alright, guys, so we're going back to the harbor now.
That's a boarding ticket.
Thank you.
Yeah, wait moment, yeah.
Right guys, so we're back here in our boat. So as you can see, that's the tourist. And we're very lucky we were allowed to stay here upstairs. I requested the boy downstairs na pwede ba dire. How many people? 3 only, 3. Okay, okay. Here's our guide, guys. Mother. Bye! It's very kind. Guys, so this is how challenging to get off the boat. It's really high. Okay, so I'm gonna keep my camera first, guys, and see you there. Go, go, go!
Basa.
Ay, baka wala na basa. Basa.
Adjok sa mong ilong.
Alright guys, so we're back here in Sanur.
Oh yeah.
What?
Okay.
It's also local.
Yeah.
Yes, and From here, guys, so we will go directly to our next hotel, which is in 𝗙𝗥𝗘𝗘 Hotel. So we will check in 𝗙𝗥𝗘𝗘. He will drop us off to our next hotel, si Kuya Wayang.
Ayan.
Okay, look at this car, guys. Red, amazing. It's a very exhausting tour, but I really enjoyed it.